Do you have a business idea on how to improve and secure our daily lives with satellite data on positioning, navigation and timing, but lack the means and resources to get it off the ground? The Galileo Masters has been supporting young entrepreneurs like you since 2004. We can kickstart your innovation using satellite data. Get access to our network of more than 200 partners and experts from space-related institutions, as well as the realms of industry and research. We offer rewards worth an average of €770,000 each year. Become a part of it. Register online and submit your innovative solution to our secure database. Our competition partners offer rewards in two categories: topic-specific challenges and Galileo prizes. In both categories, you can choose the partner that would best support your business case. With the support of our partners, there will be nothing left standing between you and a successful business. One of our Galileo Masters challenges is the University Challenge.